Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a budget in Excel. So let's just start. Let's take a sheet. Well, let's make some categories, which will be dates. Then some description, and then some category, and income, and some debit balance, which you have to actually subtract, and at last the balance that you'll have after all your expenses. Well, now you have to just make it a table. Select as many as possible and go to insert button and click on the table option. Click on OK. Well, as you can see, here is some um, data table is made. Now you can make it this column as a date. Go to this number format and click on date. Choose a format, and you can now add some dates here. And from the categories, you can add some categories. For this, you have to enter some data. For this three, click on the dollar sign and they will be converted in in dollars. And for this categories option, you can add some some categories from here, which will be we have to go to data tab and click on data validation and click on list, and here you can add some source like food, um, clothes, then utilities, then mm, what do you add? Well, let's just um, keep it here. Click on OK. As you can see, there is some drop down list. Well, let's now uh, start our work. You can make your things you can make your columns bigger. Well, let's just start over. Now let's add some description from here. um, it would be a initial balance. From this category, well, we can add uh, the income option too. Okay, now let's select income, and now here in the balance section, let's add some balance, which will be, let's say, 2000 20,000, sorry, $2,000. Okay, now let's create another date. Well, let's say it's from, some restaurant. From the drop down menu, let's click on food, and it's not an income. Let's say we have a spend for $150, and here we can apply some some formula, which is equals to sum this cell adds to plus this cell and subtract it to from this cell. Close the parenthesis, click on OK. As you can see, the balance is shown here. Well, let's just, sorry, it will be 1 month. Okay, oh, well, it's actually the middle part is the date, that's why it's showing this way. Okay, let's say we have a spend on entertainment, and select a subcategory and click on the debit balance, which will be, let's say we have spent for $100, and if you copy this formula, and it will show you the balance. Now for another day, uh, now let's say we have did some freelancing, and there is some income. From the data validation option, as I haven't add the, well, let's add again the income option. Click on OK. Now let's say I have um have done a work of $200, and if you drag it down, here would be the balance. So yeah, this is how you can, you know add some budget or some digits or some income and debit balance, and it will show you the balance after 1 month. Sorry, after the whole month it will be done. So yeah, this is how you can make a budget of your own. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.